I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification. This earring, I'm trying not to lose it. So you don't want to be in camera? Oh well, it is what it is. My supporters have to see you disrespecting me like this. You're gonna stay right here. You don't want to stay in my ears? Alright then, you're gonna stay right here. Hello everyone, it's Sophie and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sophie and welcome girl, welcome. Okay. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a video. So right now I am into the brown colors. So today we are about to create some brown looks, and I've been thinking to do this all day. So I am using this Clinique Number 15 foundation plus concealer. You know, I always color correct my eyelid, so I'm just color correcting my eyelid for now. I was supposed to film this morning, but I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. I'm going to use my favorite eyeshadow palette called Rose All Day, and ouch. I'm gonna take this color, the brown right here, and after this brown, I'm going in with this color, and after this color, I'm going with this color right here. So I've been home all day doing nothing really. Oh no, not really. I've been editing videos, and I'm still not done editing videos. This is crazy. Editing can take like forever, like not forever, like days, hours, weeks, you know, and it's just so annoying. Right now it's 11 p.m. and I feel like I haven't done anything, and I'm not sleepy yet, and I decided to film this video for you guys. So let me tell you guys what really happened to me today. So you know, I can't really talk loud because my sister is sleeping right now, so yeah, let's talk right loud. I planned to swim last night, right? So when I woke up this morning, my mind said no and my body said yes. And after a couple minutes, my body followed my mind, so I stayed in my bed to edit videos. I've been feeling so down lately and I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel. I just feel like, okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all. So sometimes I guess it was just one of my days where it's just like a whatever day. Like you're not happy and you're not sad either, like no excitement, you're just not in the mood and your body feels so heavy. Things you always do always seems a lot to do that day. It was just one of my days, I guess. So while I lay down, I received a notification from one of my favorite YouTubers, Sparkle Marie. Shout out to you, boo. And I love watching her. If you need that motivation vibes, baby, you should watch her because like she's amazing, boo. Like yes, she's amazing. Like she always come through with those videos in the right moments. Maybe God telling her something about me. You never know. Whenever I'm in those kind of mood, like those videos always like come through like at the right moment. You know what I mean? Yeah. So she kind of feel the same way too. She said that on the video, and that just made me feel like it's normal to feel like this because we are human. I'm going to hush for a minute. I'm going to do my ring lighter real quick. So now I'm going to apply my lashes. I'm going to highlight underneath my brow with this big eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna take this brown color right here. I'm going to use these two foundations from Juvia's Place. It goes to 40 and Malawi to 30. So I got motivated and got up and listening to my favorite song and go about my day. And remember, words are so powerful. Be careful on what you said about yourself. Always think positive because your mind will follow the negative things you said, and it's not good. Back in the day when this happened, I stayed in my room doing nothing, not replying to nobody or answering any phone calls. So I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes with Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer. Y'all see me using this highlight before. Wait, did I say phone calls? Who called me? Nobody ever checked on me. I am always the one who checked on people. Now I stop and we don't talk at all. And you know what? You know what's so funny? When they see me somewhere, oh girl, you don't call me no more. Like, I don't call you no more. What you mean? Girl, you have a phone and I have a phone. If I don't call you, call me. Because that phone call thing goes both ways, and I'm not the one who trying to be friends. If you want to be my friend, if I call you, you should call me too. I'm not the only one who always checking, and when I stop doing that, we don't talk. Like, you just showed me that you was not my friend's friend, you know? And so I'm going to use this Juvia's Place setting powder called Kalahari. I'm just gonna set my under eye. I'm not into bake no more. If you really pay attention to my videos, I don't bake no more. I just set my under eye, and it's just so beautiful. I love that. Yeah, it's just like when I bake, leave that ashiness. We just made everything look ashy, but when I set my face with it, with the powder, and just kind of blend the powder in my skin, it looks way better. And I just feel like it lasts longer because I have oily skin during the summer. But my skin is so weird, like really. When it's like around December, it's cold around December, my skin gets so dry. I don't know if any of you can relate to that. My skin is just weird sometimes. You know, and I have to accept it like this because it's my skin and I can't really do anything to it. You know, I can just moisturize and I can change my skin. For what? I'm gonna use this contour palette, and I'm just gonna take this dark color right here to just contour my cheeks. I'm not gonna use any contour cream today. And yeah, I'm just gonna use this just to contour my face a little bit. You know, you gotta contour your face. Right now I'm going to contour my nose a little. So I'm going to define my cheekbones a little bit with this Juvia's Place setting powder called Namib. It's a darker powder. I think that's the darkest powder they have. Just to define my contour. I'm going to add some blush. So from the same palette, I'm going with this shimmer gold right here, and I'm just gonna add this in a corner right here. I love this. Alright, so now I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to line my lips with this brown So right here. So now I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place Burgundy matte lipstick called Tattoo. And yes, let's go in with this lipstick, y'all. I'm going to highlight with my favorite eyeshadow. I would never use this eyeshadow palette as an eyeshadow. I always use it on my cheek as a highlighter because this eyeshadow will pop. Okay, I'm gonna take this color right here. This one is my favorite one. I always use this on my cheeks. This is so beautiful, y'all. Like, this is so beautiful. Oh, this look coming together. I did not plan on doing this look, but anyway, the mind wants what he wants. And to set, ooh, I'm out of this. What? I want to buy new stuff. So to set this makeup, I'm going to use my NYX set spray. Okay. Yes, this was so easy. Like, so let's take this off. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Okay. I'm really getting this look right now. These earrings refuse to stay in place. Okay. Alright, you guys. You see? Oh my god, I'm just so tired of these earrings. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, leave me a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a tutorial. Yes, girl, yes, these videos are coming. See, these earrings don't want me to be great. Like, that's crazy. Can you stay in? Jeez, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Here you go again. Like, I'm tired of this. You know what? I'm just gonna take this off. So what's wrong with y'all? Alright. If you don't want to be on camera, you're gonna be on camera. Okay, guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next one.